Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Are Whirlpool refrigerators made in the USA? As the largest of all the American appliance companies, the answer is yes. Based in Benton Charter Township, Michigan, with major manufacturing centers throughout North America, Whirlpool employs tens of thousands of American workers.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The washing machine, which is under its Emperor product line, has been fully designed and produced in China. Apart from serving Chinese consumers, the new line of products will be sold all over Asia and exported to the other parts of the world, he said.
Make your mark, take our lead.
From our research, the refrigerator brands that are the most reliable are LG, GE, Whirlpool and Samsung. It makes sense that these would be the same companies we listed as manufacturing the refrigerators with the fewest problems.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.